Corpbiz.
Hello friends, my name is Divya Dikshit. You are watching your favorite channel Corpbiz. In this video, we are going to discuss regarding the topic professional tax registration. First of all, we'll explain you what is a professional tax, the type of professional tax certificate. We'll also cover the document part and the whole registration process, and we'll also talk about the penalty in case of violation. So let's begin the video. Professional tax. Professional tax is levied by the state government on profession, trade or employment which is applicable on the salaried employees or the professionals such as the lawyer, the doctor or the chartered accountant. So the power of levying of professional tax by the state government is stated under the Article 276 of the Constitution of India. The rate of professional tax depends upon the state in which the individual or the employee is serving his or her duty. So to govern the professional tax by the state has its own rules and regulation. However, all the state does not follow the slab system which is being levied on the professional tax by the state. Professional tax certificate. So let's go through the two type of professional certificate. The one is the professional tax enrollment certificate. The another is professional tax registration certificate. PTEC, professional tax enrollment certificate. So PTEC is one type of certificate which is paid by the business entity, the owner or the professional means the individual. It can be the private public limited company, the sole proprietor or the business entity. PTRC, Professional Tax Registration Certificate. In PTRC, the government or the non-government employee deduct the tax from the employee's wages and submit the same to the government. Documents required for professional tax registration. So now we'll take a look on the documents that are required for the professional tax registration, which are as follows. Documents required for professional tax registration: acknowledgement of online form along with the printout of digital form submitted in case the applicant is company, certificate of incorporation, article of association and memorandum of association along with the PAN card of the company which is attested by the director. ID proof and address proof of all the directors along with the passport size photo, bank account details of the company along with the bank statement and a cancelled check, proof of registered office, however in the case of rented property, NOC from the owner. In case of the company, board resolution, and in case of partnership, the declaration of consent by the concerned partner is required. Salary and attendance register. Procedure of professional tax registration. So the procedure for professional tax registration is quite simple. What you need to do in the first step is the applicant need to visit the official website of CTD, means the Commercial Tax Department of the specific state. The applicant need to file the application form, submit all the detail along with the requisite document and the fee payment. After that, the applicant need to submit the physical copy to the concerned tax department. Then the authority will verify, scrutinize the information which you provided. If the authority gets satisfied, then the certificate will be issued by the authority for the same. State-wise professional tax slab. So in this video, we'll cover the tax slab of a certain state, means the state like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu or the Karnataka. All the three states, what are the tax slab they deduct from the employees or the individual, which are as follows. Maharashtra professional tax detail. So if the monthly salary is up to 7,500, the professional tax is nil and the payment due date is last day of every month. So if the monthly salary is above 7,500 to 10,000, then the professional tax is 175 rupees per month. Last date of every month is the payment due date. If the monthly salary is above 10,000, then the professional tax is from 200 to 300 in February and the payment due date is last date of every month. The one thing which is to be noted is the women employees whose salaries is below 10,000 rupees are exempted from professional tax. Tamil Nadu professional tax detail. So the monthly salary is up to 3,500, then the professional tax is nil, and the payment due date is half yearly, means the 30 September and the 31st March. The form in which you have to file is Form 2. If the monthly salary is above 3,500 to 5,000, then the professional tax which is being deducted is 125 rupees per month. If the monthly salary is above 5,000 to 7,500, then the professional tax which is deducted is 150 rupees per month. If the monthly salary is above 7,500 to 10,000, then the professional tax is 200 per month. If we discuss regarding the payment due date, then it is half yearly, 30 September and 31st March. The form in which you have to file is Form 2. Karnataka professional tax detail. If the monthly salary is up to 15,000, then the professional tax is nil. If this monthly salary is above 15,000, then the professional tax is 200 per month. Payment due date is 20th of every month, and the form in which you have to file is Form 5A and Form 9A. So as earlier I told you that there are some states that do not follow the professional tax registration slab system which is levied on the professional trade or employment. So let's go through these particular states which are as follows. Professional tax is not applicable in the following state: Andaman and Nicobar Island, Arunachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Penalties are imposed in case of violation. So there are certain penalties that are imposed on these certain cases of violation, such as a penalty of ₹5 per day is applicable on late obtaining the registration of certificate. In case of non-late payment of professional tax, the penalty will be 10% of the amount of tax. An individual is liable to pay ₹1,000 in case of late filing of return. Also, if the delay is for more than a month, a penalty of ₹2,000 will be imposed. So I hope you get all the information regarding the professional tax registration. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, you take care. Bye-bye.